No recruitment email yet. I guess I'll just have to do it again.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
So here's the problem. I'm in school, right? I'm in college, and I have to do homework for almost every class. But there's this one class, EECS 16A, which requires me to do both a physical component, which is like math, writing problems down, and showing your work, whatever. And there's an online component where I have to like code and type stuff out. And it's really annoying because the teachers want me to submit everything into one PDF. But Google Docs is so bad for PDFs. Google Docs does not support drag and drop for PDFs, so you can't drag a PDF into your Google Doc. It just doesn't work. And the only way you can put a PDF into your Google Doc is if you create an entirely new Google Doc with that PDF. Or you go to an online service and then upload your PDF and download it as a series of images, which is super dumb. Anyways, so basically that sparked the idea that I should make a Google add-on that lets you upload PDFs into your Google Doc. And so PDFs in Google Docs was born. Okay, so Google Docs is annoying because I can't do this. I can't put my PDF into my Google Doc. And so what I did was create an add-on that allows me to upload a PDF into my Google Doc, upload files, and I just have to go to my downloads, upload it, and then now I can copy images and paste them in here. And yeah, that's my demo. Okay, so you may be wondering, is that it? And the short answer is yes. If you want to use this program for yourself, I have actually not really made it easy to use it. It's kind of difficult to install it and use it on your own. So just go to the GitHub link down in the description. Or you can follow along in the next section of this video, and I'll show you step by step of how to do it. Okay, so now that you have the GitHub link open, what you want to do is go to Google Docs and create a new blank document. Now, this will be the document where the script is going to be created, and while this is annoying, you're going to have to refer back to this document whenever you need to upload and paste the PDF. So yeah, I'm sorry, but this is pretty much the only way that I can share this project with you guys without spending a lot more time and effort into publishing it. But let's just call this PDF's tester, right? And we're going to go to Tools, Script Editor. And this will just create a new app script for our PDF. Let's just call this PDF, something like that. And now we have a files called code.js, and in the GitHub link, you notice that there's also a code.js. So we're just gonna click on it, and we're basically just gonna copy and paste everything. So paste, save it, and then what we need to do is go back to here and do add a file, and we want to add HTML, and let's just call this sidebar.html. Okay, now here we see we have sidebar.html as well. So we're just gonna copy all of it and paste. Right, now this gives you, oh, and also don't call it sidebar.html because it'll do this weird thing. Make sure you just name it the sidebar because it will automatically put into HTML for you. App script is weird. Okay. Now what you want to do is press deploy, test deployment, and Google Workspace add-on. Test latest code, done. Alright, so now all you have to do is go back to your original document, refresh the page, and hopefully it will show up in add-ons. When
it is ready. Here we go. PDF and show PDF viewer. All right, now you're gonna need to authorize it. Just go through it. Just do all of the things that it tells you. If you get to this screen, you want to press advanced and go to, and just allow it. Really, it's just asking you if you want to let it open up a tab in the sidebar. But yeah, that's pretty much all this is asking. Allow. Okay. Now we just go back here, show PDF viewer again, and now we can upload files. So I have a new homework, and as you can see, all of the files are listed as images, and then I can just copy images and paste them in wherever I want.
At the moment, installing PDFs in Google Docs is extremely difficult and tedious. So if this video gets enough attention, then I will try to upload it to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can then download it and use it wherever you want in your Google Docs. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this program was made for CalHacks. Normally I would insert a bunch of clips from going to various CalHacks events, I guess, but since COVID and restrictions, I joined mostly virtually. So instead, have some footage of me scrolling through their websites. Anyways, basically what I'm trying to tell you is that I made this in like 36 hours. Well, a lot less than that because I wasn't really focused in on it. I didn't win anything, but yeah, it's not really like polished or to the level that it could be. So if you guys want, I can update it to like include automatic insertion of PDFs and stuff like that. But let me know down in the comments if you would like to see that. Thank you so much for over 300 subscribers. It really means a lot to me, and I'll still continue uploading as long as you like them. I know most of you are here from the Kindle video, but I'm working on a couple different things to keep you a little bit entertained. In other news, I finally turned 18, so now I can sell feed pics to fund my boba addiction. And really, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.